In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. What is second pendulum? A pendulum having time period is equal to 2 seconds. I mean, if the pendulum completes one vibration in 2 seconds, then the pendulum is said to be second pendulum. The definition is a pendulum having time period equal to 2 seconds is called second pendulum, and its frequency is given by is equal to 1 over t. So inserting the value 1 over 2 mean 0.5 hertz. A pendulum having frequency that is equal to 0.5 hertz. And what is the length of the second pendulum, students? You will use this relation. The relation is T is equal to 2 pi L over G square root. Taking square on both sides, T square, 4 pi square L over G. And we are looking for its length. So L is equal to T square G divided by 4 pi square. So putting the values, the time period is 2 seconds, 2 square, G is 9.8 and it is divided by 4 pi, pi mean 3.14 and it is the square of this. So if you cancel out, 2 square mean 4, 4 is cancelled, 9.8 divided by 3.14 square and you get 0.99 meter. So that is the length of the second pendulum. And in centimeter, you just multiply by 100 and it comes to be 99 centimeter. A pendulum whose time period is 2 seconds, frequency is 0.5 hertz and length is 99 centimeter. It is called second pendulum. Thank you for watching.